I put the honey super on top 2 weeks ago. Last week we didn't check them. We did no filming or nothing. So let's see how this is going. This one's sealed nicely. That's a good sign. Lots of bees up here. So let's see if they started putting honey in here. Today is very cold. It's like 14 degrees. There's no smoke. There we go. Smoke them up. Let's check them out. I'll put the smoke on you too, just to keep them away. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So these were from last year. So I put them here empty, but they had comb in them. This one's empty. No honey whatsoever. No honey. That's not good. No honey. They're all empty.
Oh, wow.
So I don't know why they're not. Empty. So I might have to change this around. Oh, this has got some already. Okay. Here we go, guys. So it's full of honey here. Ready for them to cap. That's excellent. So they're working on these. So that's the number 5. This one's also got it full. This needs to be capped. That's excellent. But this year's been a strange year, man. Like there's nothing going on with flowers. This one's good too. These are all good, guys. So let's take another one from here. This one's got some too. These will be full by next week probably if the weather cooperates. A little bit on the last one. Excellent. Let's put it back. I'm gonna break the next box. See how the queen is doing. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 with honey right now. Not capped. Nothing is capped yet. So they're working. So we're not going to add nothing to this. So this is perfect. These are all new hives, right? So they're doing very good. Let's break it up. So I got the queen excluder here on this one. So the queen is below, right? Because we got the excluder on. Pretty tight. Yeah. Lots of them there. See if we can spot her or see how she's laying. Looks full, looks like lots of bees here. Put some smoke here, calm them down. So now these should be full of honey on the outside ones.
It's stuck.
Yeah, they're pretty stuck. That's not good.
What does it mean when it's stuck?
They're doing a lot of, I don't remember what's that called, that some name they got, they call it stuck. It's very stuck.
So take that one out, the other
Try
one.
this side here.
Yeah.
Make sure we don't squish the queen, right? This is a good time to kill her if you do this stuff like that.
Wow.
Be careful here. So as you guys can see, fully capped honey, guys. This is all good to go. So it was stuck there. That's why it was so hard to take out.
Wow, yeah.
Okay, so this one goes back here. So let's put it here. That's why it's good to break them out. So that one goes on
For the
like
queen.
that, okay? So she's been busy. They're laying here. Lots of bees. So the bees looks like they're doing good. So all you want to check now is see if we got lots of food, lots of nectar, and she's laid eggs here, okay? Lots of nectar. So these are gonna break. That's eggs there. So she's doing good. Oh, look at that. Beautifully capped with full frame of the big ones, man. This is a big one. So that's a lot of honey right there. But you don't want that much honey down here now. You want them to lay eggs here. What you want to see is larvae, eggs. That's your best thing. But they're doing a good job. So here we go. A little bit here. Lots of larvae there in the bottom. Lots of little tiny larvae. So she's doing good. No swarming. No super seed cells. And normally she would lay eggs in the middle frames, basically. Let's see how this middle one is. And they're stuck big time. Look at here, guys. Lots of brood here. Lots of brood, lots of nectar. Lots of it down here. See, this is kind of sucks because everything, then you squish them and you kill them, right? So you got to be careful. You want to clean these most of the time so you don't kill them as you take it out. Lots of brood, quite a bit of brood there, quite a bit of brood here. I'll take one more. I don't want to take too much, and we're just going to leave it alone. Maybe I forgot to loosen this up here that way. It's supposed to divide the spaces. Oh, it's stuck to the bottom. Lots of brood here. Lots of larvae, tiny little larvae. See, when you put this back down, now this is a good spot to squeeze them. You can kill them. So it's good to clean this out. You know.
Let's see if she's on this side here. Oh, so
No,
many.
there's lots of bees. They're tiny. Look so tiny, these
Yeah.
ones. But there's lots. That's good. Wow, look at them there. You see it's stuck to the frames down there?
Oh, wow.
That's the big larva, just bees ready to be born. And as you open them, that's how you kill them.
Those frames don't go all the way to the bottom, do they?
No, it's two boxes,
Oh.
right?
No, I mean the bottom of that box.
No, there's a space there, but they build stuff as they go along. They keep filling everything, whatever as much room as they want, right? Look at that, lots of brood. Looking for the queen. Lots of brood. She's doing good. See if we spot her, maybe even with the camera. We might spot her after if we don't see her now. There's lots of bees here, lots. Look at this.
It's little honeycombs they make, right?
Yeah. They're nice and calm though.
Yeah.
They're not overexcited here. The weather is kind of cool today. Wow. These are really stuck. Yeah, a little bit of brood here on number 4 because I started from the opposite side today, guys, right? Lots of honey. No brood on this side. There's brood here on this side. Shit. Oh, you guys gotta be careful. I'm gonna get them all rattled up here. Now they're getting wild. Put some smoke, calm them down. Wow, look at this. Full of honey. Capped honey. Capped honey. So these frames were empty. See, these are good. And I stopped feeding them about 3 weeks ago. So this is all good honey here. Just the bottom box. If it has any honey, that's when I fed them most of the time. I did feed them up here too, but then they're all empty. They had to build comb on this one because I only had the frames that were empty. So they had to build everything from scratch. Wow. Tight. So I can see it's still empty here. See, guys? Lots of nectar though on it. No brood on these ones. Normally she just lays in the inside. That one is completely full there, man. Wow. I'm gonna break this one. Let me put this one over here for now. Because this one was hard to take out here. I didn't leave enough room here on the side. I had so much of a gap here on this side, none on this side, so I couldn't move it. So now I gotta leave some gap on both sides. So this one's pretty empty still. The frame is still empty. See, they're still drawing wax out. A lot of nectar. That's good. All right, let's put this one back. Put this one back here.
Are you going to open the bottom one or no?
I don't know. The more you touch them, the worse it is sometimes. You know, you can kill the queen.
And just
You know?
leave it then. If
It'd
you
be
know
nice to see her.
if you know they're
There's
doing
room.
good.
So I don't think there's no. I don't think they want to swarm. So maybe I'll just leave it. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave room on this side now. Guys, see, leave a little gap here. There's a little bit gap for both sides. So like that, you can break them apart when you come and open because they're gonna be. They're not gonna get them stuck again. They got this special thing that they give there. I forget the name. Come on, guys, take it easy. Not doing anything to hurt you guys. The weather's getting better today. It's been a lousy week. Chilly. Okay, let's get this one in.
There's so many there at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Slowly so you don't kill them. Normally I can feel them rub against the sides there. That's when you squish them. So just go slowly. Now I got a gap there about 1/8 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch here now, right? So that's going to help them. Put some smoke here. See if they go down so I can put the excluder. Oh, one view in my glove. Didn't bite me. It was lucky. Just kind of slide it along. That's good. Put the honey on top. It's still about half empty.
You're gonna squish some.
Oh, don't move. That on. They're in the cover.
Hole up.
Hold up, guys. Don't forget. We're good till next week on this one. Put weight on it so you can get your animals to come here and take care of them and wreck them. Okay, this one, guys, was queenless, right? It died on us. It lived for a couple weeks and now there's no queen. So we haven't opened this one up for a while. Let's check and see what's going on in here. Still had the feeder in here for them, which is all gone.
Well, look at all the ants.
Oh yeah.
And they bring these little rocks, like, so strange.
Doesn't look like much here.
Well, if there's no queen, nothing's happening.
Well, you never know. They still had a lot of brood the last time I stopped, right? They could have made one. Let's see if they made one. Lots of gap here and no gap here on this side. But they're stuck. These were all empty. So they drawed some wax there. No wax on this one, just a little tiny bit. Lots of wax here, lots of honey, bit of honey. Let's see if we see any eggs or larvae. Or somehow a miracle queen. We got brood.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we got brood, guys, and larvae. So there's a queen here.
So they made a queen?
Got no idea. There's a queen, there's larvae. Excellent.
Okay, let's see if we can find her.
Wow, guys. Maybe we missed her, but she had no eggs, no larvae for a couple weeks. And now she's got larvae here. Beautiful. Beautiful. More brood there, guys.
Look slowly if you see her.
Yeah. Wow. That's impressive. Now that's exciting. We got, oh my God, lots of brood. Lots of brood. I knew the lady said if there was a lot of brood and a lot of stuff, a lot of food, a lot of bees, they'd still probably make one. And they did. Well, we missed her, but there was no eggs, no larvae for those last 2 weeks that we checked.
And this one was a black queen.
Correct. This is where we had that black queen, our first black queen. Lots of honey, lots of fresh yellow, light yellow. That's fresh brood. See the darker one there? It's a little older. Lots of larvae. That is good. So this one's almost full. So, and it's behind. This one's the same week, same age as this one, guys. But we lost the queen, and that's why you don't see as much bees. And we had 2 frames completely empty, and this third one is empty on one side. So let's see what we got here, guys. Quite a bit of brood, a little bit. Lots of capped honey. Excellent.
Are you going to put a excluder?
No, not yet. On this, 2 of them are empty. You almost could. They say when it's 80%. So 80% would be 2 empty frames. So there's 4 empty frames. Lots of brood. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, sorry, guys.
No, you made them all wild.
Yeah. Need something to put this in.
Where's the hook?
No, I want to clean it. I want to clean the stuff in it so I don't make a mess here. I don't leave junk here so the animals can come by and, you know, eat it. Wow, I'm so happy. I'm actually so happy. Put this here. So guys, when you do this, it's always good to keep saying that anyways, right? Let's clean it up. Clean it into a pail so that you don't leave it on the ground. Because when you put it back down, you're just gonna kill queen. You might kill the queen or bees. Anyways, as you put it down there, see there? Look at that, all the honey that comes apart, but they stick this down. Look at this brand new larva in there, tiny, tiny larva, white cap. Look at that, tiny, tiny. She might be here. Look at all the eggs there. You see them? Look at that, all the little tiny eggs there. Look, look.
Oh.
See that little dot? Looks like a little grain of rice. It's like
yeah.
tiny, tiny. You see it in the camera good?
Yeah, I see it.
Excellent. Look at the larva. Okay.
Is she down there? No.
We'll see. Let's see, because these are pretty full, right? So she must be down in the bottom box.
Wait.
What happened?
One bit me, I think.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. See these ones here empty on the side? Don't worry about it. Let's put socks. You're supposed to put socks on.
First time I got stung by a bee. She bit me in the foot.
These are empty, 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 and empty.
Oh, it stings, a little shit.
Yeah. Okay, let's put it back.
Like
I'm gonna open the bottom one, guys.
Like somebody need to wear socks.
I'll put some smoke there. Hold on, so they don't go back.
Ah, that's like a needle.
Yeah, it stings. I get swollen up a bit.
Holy shit.
Okay, that's enough. You know, to keep now filling up the whole video with that.
Let me feel my foot. Ah.
Then let's see if it gets swollen up.
That's what happens when you don't wear socks.
Well, and I wear my clothes now because the first year we only had one hive, right? So I came just with a t-shirt, no gloves or nothing. But now we got 4 hives, so I want to move quicker so they can go ahead and come out and not bite me. Okay, let's open up the bottom. I could have told you that. Wow.
Those look stuck, no?
Yeah, a little bit. Not bad. So this one's still empty on the side. This one's got lots. Nectar, honey, empty still on this side. Lots of capped honey there. Lots of capped honey. and a little bit of empty. Let's see if she's laying on this bottom one. Yeah. No, no, no. I thought it was. Nope. It's honey there. Lots of honey. Lots of brood on this next box, guys. Wow. This is cool. This is very cool. Lots of brood, guys.
See her. I think we're gonna miss her.
I'm going a little quick too, right? So, but we don't need to see her. It's good to see her. We get excited, and we know she's there. Let's see if there's any swarm cells, or where she built. See if they built one. This one is empty, so it must have a lot of. Look at that! Lots of brood, man. There she is, right there.
Where?
It's a white one, guys. Right there. There's our queen.
So they made her.
They made her because we had a black one here.
Yeah, wow. That's
Or she came from somewhere else. Let's put it back.
Let's be careful. Oh, she's down at the bottom. Be
Yeah.
careful, don't squish her. That's so cool.
That is cool. Let's see if she came from that box.
Oh. Oh yeah, can you imagine?
Well, we had one here. Because lava here, we got everything in there, so that's good.
Why, would a queen go from box to
I
box?
got no idea. I don't know if that happens. It might. Or she might have came from somewhere else. I don't know how this works that well. So.
Now close it off.
Yeah, and we'll open the last one. That is cool. Need room on this side. Put the box on. So I'm not going to do nothing here. There's still lots of empty frames. So next week we'll put a super on it. See if we get some honey out of this one. It'd be cool to get some honey out of this one. Last year, our first hive, we had 9 jars. We had 3 supers on. So let's see what we get this year. The weather hasn't been that great this year for our bees. So I don't need a box. No box on it. We'll leave it like that. Just put the lid. Go to our last one. Hope this one is doing well. This can stay up now too. This one might be the super today. So this one, so no queen on this one for a couple weeks. We got a replacement for this one because this was the one that died. So this one's a couple weeks behind this one. Okay, here I can see it's empty. So these were all empty frames, guys. So they have to draw the wax, lay the eggs, do everything from scratch. So it takes them a little bit longer. This one's looking good already. Our second frame in, it's got nectar already in it, and it's almost all built. This side is still empty, as you can see. So it might leave it another week. We'll see. I'll see how these other ones are, and to see if she's laying. Lots of honey, capped, half of it. all drawn out and nectar inside. So now I'd like to see some brood. Doesn't look like there's a lot of bees on this one, eh? Let's see how it looks. Lots of nectar.
There's lots there.
I need to see brood now, so I can be happy. Then that means we got 3 queens going. And here we go. We got brood, guys. A little tiny bit there in the middle, guys. This brown stuff, it's almost ready to hatch. You can tell by the color. And the rest, this white's all honey. A little bit of brood here, not much. One little piece there. No queen. Lots of bees in there.
Maybe,
lots of bees.
Maybe we got 1 queen working all 3 hives.
No, we got no. This one's stuck in the bottom. Well, surprise. Not too much brood here. No brood here either. We might have been right. No, let's see. No brood here. No brood here. But it's full, nectar, and lots of honey.
That's still a good sign?
We had some brood, so it's a good sign. So that means she wasn't here. These are all empty here, guys. Okay, this is the last one here.
Maybe she's at the bottom.
Little white there, still blank there, blank, blank. So lots of empty here. But this is like 2 weeks behind, or even 3 weeks. Well, we're gonna have to open the bottom. Okay, let's push it to the center so we have room to break them apart. Lots of room to break them apart. Okay, let's take this. See, this one's not as stuck as that first one. This one's actually not stuck at all, almost.
Oh wow, look how many up here.
Yeah. Yeah, lots here. Let's check for brood. We've got a gap here, so it'll be easy to take this one apart. Just go slowly on the first one. Might be stuck at the bottom. This one's still part of the new frames, right? As you can see, still empty and empty. So no box for this one. No box for this one or that one. Probably next week. Eh, it is what it is. A little slow this year. Let's see. We need brood, guys. Now that's all we need. Check out some brood. And a lot of dry honey. I don't know what that is. A lot of pollen, dry pollen or something. There's a little bit of brood here, guys. Okay, that's brood, but I don't see no larvae. That's kind of scary. Let's see. Let's be patient. All empty here. No eggs.
Oh, maybe she flew out of this one into the other one.
Well, it is what it is. No, we got brood here, guys. Lots of brood. I can't see. Do you see any eggs in there? They could have just hatched. Oh, it looks empty. Okay, that's close to the edge there, so it's getting better. Let's keep going. The middle should be better. The brood is mostly always in the middle boxes, in the middle frames there. Same thing, a lot of dry stuff. That's weird, I don't see that before. There's a queen cell right there. You guys see that?
Where?
Right here, a queen cell, guys, and it's capped.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it.
That means you're gonna make a queen?
There's two of them actually. Look at that. Another one right there.
Move your hand so I can film it.
Look at that, guys.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know. If there's a queen missing, it's good to have it because then they'll have a queen. And they'll kill and the strongest will live, I think.
Oh.
That's what I'm hoping for. Now,
what's that there? That bump?
this is all, it's all full of the stuff they build.
Like the honeycomb.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave it. Something's weird here, but I don't know really what's happening. But those are queen cells. I'm gonna leave it.
Maybe they're making queens.
Yeah. Because I don't see a queen here and I don't see any larvae right now. So it'll be good if they build one. Because now this one looks like it doesn't have one. Look, lots of drone here, man. Lots of brood, guys.
So there is a queen.
There's lots of brood. If I see her, I gotta break those ones. There's another one here, guys. Look at that.
Another what? Oh, yeah.
Queen cell. And they want to swarm because it's the goddamn box are empty, man. I don't know if that's larva, if it's a brood, or is it just capped honey.
Maybe just leave the cell, those.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it because I think they'll kill each other, and one queen will survive. I think so. Because right now I don't see one. I don't see no eggs, no larvae. So I'm gonna leave it. There's brood. I don't know if that's old brood or no, it would have came out. There's another one there. Look at that.
Wow, they're making so many queens.
Well, it is what it is. Right now there's not one here, I think, because there's no eggs. So there's no eggs and no new larvae in this one that I have seen. So we'll just leave it. We'll see what happens. There's lots of bees, there's lots of food, so they have stuff that they can build. I don't know if that's brood or what is that. Yeah, no eggs, no larvae, no nothing. That's why it's weak. I'm gonna leave it. I'm leaving it. Wow, look at that big thing down there. Look at that.
I know, yeah, wow.
No eggs. No larvae. That happened like that one. See that?
Yeah.
Unless the queen went over there.
Who knows? It's a mystery.
But there's no queen cells on that one that I seen built.
No, just in this one.
This one. So
unless she did go there, she traitor went to another house. Look at that big chunk of big honeycomb there. I better be.
That looks like drone cells there. These taller ones look like drone cells. No eggs, no larvae. No queen either. We'll take them all apart now. Check it out. Lots of honey, lots of nectar. That looks like fresh drone there, brood. I don't know, it's weird. Doesn't look right. Yeah, nothing. That dry stuff is like honey there. Okay, no eggs, no nothing, no larvae.
Close her up.
Wow, this is weird. We're learning a lot this year. That's what is good. I made a mistake last year with just getting one hive, guys. If you do get it 2 hives. So like that you can compare everything. They drew a lot of wax here, so they were good at one point there. Because here we saw the queen when we put it in, right?
Yeah.
Still empty here. So we did see all that. It's weird. So now we don't know if the queen went from here to there. This one looks got a few honey queen cells. There's at least 3 of them. So we'll have a queen probably next week here.
A queen, probably more than one.
More than one. And then we'll see what happens. Right now, I don't have that much experience, so hopefully they'll build one.
It's all learning process.
Okay, we'll put it back. There's lots of bees though, lots of bees, especially in this bottom box. This empty one back. Okay, we gained 1, lost 1. And next week we might have 2 more. Maybe 3. I saw 3. Oh, nope. Gotta put the other box back, Sky. Okay.
You saw 3, what are they called?
Queen cells. And they're completely closed. So they're ready to hatch. So next week we'll check it. Just to see if we got a new queen and new larva. But then she's gonna need room to lay. So I guess they're gonna have to make it. Then she has to go fly away, get mated, and come back. So I don't know if when they get mated, if they come back to the same box or they go to another box.
Oh.
So they fly, get mated, and come back, right?
We'll soon find out.
Yeah.
So that's it for this week. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.